Here's a noon update for December 20th, 2012. On the S&P 5-day 1-minute chart, appears we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a very small 5 and a small 4. And we ran right into a wave 2 at minimum. If this is a wave 2 or a zigzag or an impulse, if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, if we get a fifth wave down, we could reverse back over 1442.5 and set up a third wave. But right now, I'm trying to figure out which kind of fifth wave is going to turn out to be. If it turns out to be a wave 1 equals wave 5 or whatever one of the fifth waves it turns out to be. But this could be a wave 2 into a wave 3. But for me to be confident this is turned to a third wave, we need to take out 1445 in S&P. For Dow, looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up and into a wave 2. What's funny is the 0.618 was 13,215, and we got within a point of testing that level. We held it in the so far, but it's going to turn out being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. If we reverse after 5 waves down and take out 13,330, that'll set up a third wave. But at this point, you have to know exactly which fifth wave it's going to be. If it drops below the intraday low and tests 13,216, or if it truncates and reverses. Don't know yet, but we'll find out in the next couple hours. For NASDAQ, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up into a zigzag wave 2. This is actually the strongest chart because it hasn't really retraced that much. But if we can take out 30.55, that would set up a third wave. And that would probably occur after if we complete this formation and either truncate or get wave 1 equals wave 5 or whatever fifth wave it turns out to be. But again, 30.55 needs to get taken out to set up a third wave. In the past few days, I actually bought. I had TQQQ. I had 5,000 TQQQ, which I bought at 53.68 like a week ago. It came all the way back, and yesterday I sold it right at the open. I sold it right at the open, which is the intraday high, for about 54.71. Made about $1.11 on. Actually, $1. Well, whatever it is, $1 something. With 5,000 shares. And on UPRO, I bought right at the third wave break at 88.26, right when the third wave was breaking out, it turned to a third wave. I rode the entire third wave up into, I sold around 92.20 on 2,000 shares, so it was about close to an $8,000 profit. Yeah, I caught the third wave right at the breakout, and then boom, the third wave formed. And I rode the entire third wave up right to the peak. Those are the last 2 trades, but actually, since beginning of November, I've had 11 trades in a row with a profit, and I've had streaks of this year. I had a streak of 12, 11, 7, and 8, I think, or 9. But this is my fourth streak this year, and it's at 11. Hopefully, I can end the year with like 15 trades in a row, but we'll wait and see. That's a wrap.